Hey everybody, it's 11:28 and 27 seconds on November 27th. This is the main drawing for the Tomb of Dracula 10, graded 8.5, first blade. Over here on the left are the 28 filled spots. Alright, I'm going to roll the dice 3 times. First time I think I've seen that. 18 is the number. Going to randomize 18 times. Name at the top of the list will get the slab. I will do my best to get it out in today's mail if I have the opportunity. Worst case scenario, it will ship out tomorrow, November 28th. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this is the final roll. 18, spot 11, Kev Stitch, congratulations. Time is 11:29 and